Hello, welcome to Access and Move Limited, your solar solutions partner. Today I want to take you through our latest project in Kakuma, Turkana County. In this video we are focusing on solar panel installation. Right here you can see we are offloading the solar panels and the materials that are going to be used to set up the structure that will hold the panels. You can see the materials there, and here we have the engineers setting up the structure so that everything goes according to the measurements. Here we can see our engineer making sure that all the measurements, all the dimensions are followed according to the specifications. And to ensure that the safety of the workers is considered. As you can see, the panels are installed in a 2-meter high structure. This is to ensure that wind does not interfere with the structure, since Turkana County has very strong winds, so the panels cannot be raised higher than that. And this one also, it's for giving the structure stability and the panels to be more stable. It also helps with the cleaning of the panels. Since Kakuma is dusty, the panels will attract a lot of dust. With this low structure, it will be easier to clean the panels from time to time. Yes, the structure and the panels already installed. Structure holds a total of 93 panels, and each panel has 580 watts. In our next video, I will show you the installation of batteries, inverters, and other components. Thank you for watching.